Hey, hi there. Today I would like to show you how to dislike a tweet. It's everything explained here on my blog, devaction.net, but I think it's also good if you see it in motion. So I'm gonna show you. So to like a tweet, it's quite simple, right? You just press this, heart-shaped button here, and that's it. I just like this tweet. And then you can also see who like that tweet. These are the users who, like me, liked this tweet. And that's fine. But sometimes you want to also dislike a tweet. You don't like something and you want to express yourself, right? Unfortunately, Twitter doesn't provide a dislike button, right? What you can do is, you know, you can press this I don't like this tweet, but if you press it, the tweet just disappears, right? This is not what you want. You want, ideally, we would like to have here a button with maybe a thumbs down icon that you press it and you dislike it, and you could see how many people dislike the tweet and who they are and so on. Exactly like a like button, but the opposite. But there is no such a thing, and it's by design. Apparently, Twitter doesn't want us to dislike stuff. Okay, so since Twitter doesn't provide this functionality, I found a way to work around this so you can dislike a tweet. And I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, so let's decide what tweet we want to dislike. So, for example, this one from a football player. I don't know. I guess you should not, judge people by what they wear or how many tattoos they have, whatever. I'm gonna dislike it. So to dislike this tweet, I just need to reply to the tweet using the hashtag dislike. That's it. I mean, I could add more stuff like I do not like this, or the hashtag can be at the beginning or in the middle or at the end. It doesn't matter as long as the hashtag is there. And you can also use just DL for short. That would also work, but let's use dislike, and I'm gonna remove everything else, and that's it. I have just disliked this tweet. Okay, so now you would say, hey, wait a moment, but this is not like a dislike button, right? In order to know how many people dislike this tweet and who they are, I will have to go one by one through all the, replies to this tweet, looking for the dislike hashtag or DL hashtag. That's not very practical, right? So that's why I created this small web app, dislike.devaction.net. It doesn't really look very nice. Web design is not my key strength, but as long as it does what it's supposed to do, that's okay. So I'm gonna show you how this works. So the first time you visit this site, dislike.devaction.net, it will ask you to open a link in order to get an authorization pin from Twitter. So you just click on the link, and if you are not signed in to Twitter, it would ask you to enter your username and password. But since I am already signed in to Twitter, I just need to click on Authorize App. I want to be very clear that, you know, this doesn't authorize the app to, you know, post tweets on your behalf or anything like that. I mean, it does allow the app to read your tweets, which are public anyway, but this app will not even do that, really. We just need this to be able to look for dislikes in Twitter, that's all. So I authorize the app, and then I get a pin code. This is the one I got. Of course, you will get a different pin code. So I copy this pin code and I go back to the previous tab and I just paste the pin code and click submit. Okay, so now I'm ready to use the web app. So I need the link to the tweet which I want to get the dislike info. I want to know how many people dislike that tweet and who they are. So I go back to Twitter. This is the tweet that I disliked previously, right? This is my dislike comment right here. So I'm just gonna copy link to tweet. I'm gonna click on this. Okay, now I have the link. So I go back to dislike.devaction.net. I paste the link to the tweet, and I press show dislikes. And voila! I can see that one user disliked the tweet. Here we can see the tweet is the same tweet, right? And yeah, that Twitter, it's me. This is my account. So if more people had disliked this tweet, they would have appeared here, right? But so far it's just me. So that's it. I hope you like this, and I hope you start disliking tweets and then using this website to know how many people dislike the same tweet. Okay, that's it. Thanks.